Velocity, one of the biggest entities in baseball. Velocity, a crucial component for who makes it to the big leagues. Velocity, one of the most sought after aspects in the game of baseball, but something that so many cannot seem to find. With approximately 250,000 high school pitchers competing for roughly 25,000 spots on a college pitching staff, 3,000 spots on a minor league staff, and only 360 spots on a major league pitching staff, the competition is fierce. With the game evolving at a rapid rate, lighting up the radar gun has become nearly one of the most substantial requirements to play baseball at a high level. It is one of the first aspects of a pitcher's game scouts want to know about. With the first radar guns not being introduced to baseball until the 1970s and not until much later on at a high school level, it was all about seeing who simply had the most success on the mound and determining who moved on. With the average fastball for a Major League Baseball pitcher coming in around 93 miles per hour and a handful of pitchers running balls upwards of 100 miles per hour on the gun nowadays, as opposed to the rumored mid-80s fastballs back in the 1970s, it is safe to say times have changed. With so many players hopeful of earning that college scholarship or potentially making it to the show and living out the dream that so many have, yet so few get to experience, it is no wonder pitchers everywhere are searching for a program that helps turn that dream into reality. Long tossing. The act of throwing a baseball as far as one possibly can has been a long-standing tradition in the game of baseball. Like many ideas, it has pros and cons, people for and against it, and scientific studies to back up the numbers.